birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear teacher. Happy birthday to you. From good friends,
Happy birthday, Teacher Emmy. I wish you a big
from
birthday.
old friends.
Happy birthday, Teacher Emmy. Wish you a day filled with love, laughter, and lots of peace. Happy birthday, Teacher Emmy. Bye-bye. Happy birthday po, Teacher. Always be healthy and safe po. I love you po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday po, Teacher Ernie. Wish ko lang po sa'yo, good health lang po palagi, pati sa iyong family. Salamat din po sa matyagang pagtuturo mo po sa amin. Ayun lang po, happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Teacher Ernie. I love you. Salamat po sa pagturo. I love you. Thank you po, Teacher Ernie. Thank you po sa pagpapaturo po sa amin po. God bless you po. Happy birthday, Teacher Ernie. Thank you for feeding us. I love you. Happy birthday, Teacher Ernie. God bless you. Happy birthday, Teacher Ernie. I wish you have a good day and more blessings to come. I love you. Happy birthday, Teacher Ernie. Wishing you a day filled with joy, appreciation, and all the happiness you deserve. Thank you for everything you do. Happy birthday. Hi po, Teacher Ernie. Happy birthday po. Salamat po sa lahat ng inyong tinuro sa amin. God bless. To Teacher Ernie, thank you for teaching and guiding us. I feel so blessed to be one of your students. Happy birthday, God bless, and I love you. Happy birthday, Teacher Ernie. Thank you for teaching us, and thank you for taking care of us. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Happy birthday, Teacher Ernie. God bless you. I love you. Happy birthday, Teacher Ernie. We love you so much together, and thank you for teaching me always with the classmates. The love and sharing and caring is caring. Happy birthday, Teacher Ernie. Teacher Ernie, magsa-7 kaming dalawa. Tayong dalawa po.
Okay.
July 29, magbe-birthday kaming dalawa.